Hey everyone, welcome back to another
Pour les débutants qui ne savent pas,
wireless, light, clear, and smart. With TIKTAALIK Mic Plus. TIKTAALIK Mic Plus is a wireless microphone that can be used anywhere, anytime. Connect TIKTAALIK with any device.
안녕하세요. 오늘 회의도 잘 부탁드립니다.
It's small and light. A powerful 8mm condenser catches your voice clearly in any situation.
nous allons avoir besoin d'un avocat, ainsi que d'un poivron et d'un citron. Alors pour les débutants,
Aprender uma pose e vocês podem fazer junto comigo. E pro próximo a gente
Do you need to shoot from far away?
A pesar de que hace frío, vamos a...
TIKTAALIK Mic Plus can be used up to 20 meters. With the loudspeaker mode, everybody will be able to hear you. And 10 hours of recording with only one charge.
Bonjour à tous, je suis ravie de vous retrouver. Je prends mon pinceau.
오늘 진행은 바로 중국 패션에 관한 건데요. 첫 번째로 마케팅 키포인트 파우치.
Don't worry, you can record even when you're moving around.
Por aqui.
Hola amigos, soy Conan, su preferido youtuber.
TIKTAALIK Mic Plus is more than a mic. You can use it as a transmitter and receiver too.
Now the first thing I want to talk about, if you switch it to receiver mode, you can connect the microphone to a device that doesn't even use Bluetooth. And if you switch it to transmitter mode and connect with the TV, you can connect with Bluetooth headphones. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time.
Wireless, light, clear, and smart. With TIKTAALIK Mic Plus.